What if I told you your Alfredo pasta could be healthy and still hit just as hard? Hey, what's up, y'all? Chef Noel here. I'm a private chef and nutritionist in Miami, Florida, and welcome to my private kitchen. On this channel, we make your favorite restaurant classics, fast food items, and home cooked favorites, make them nutritious and delicious without ever sacrificing the taste. Today, we're gonna make the healthy version of fettuccine Alfredo pasta, better than Olive Garden, better than Cheesecake Factory. Check it out. In a large pot of salted water to a boil, we're going to use Banza chickpea pasta. Add our pasta to the water and cook the fettuccine until al dente, so about 9 to 11 minutes. Stir around to prevent sticking. After the pasta is cooked, remove the pasta from the water, then reserve about 1 cup of pasta water, then oil up the pasta to prevent sticking and set aside. So next, we're gonna make our healthy Alfredo sauce. In a large skillet or saucepan, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat, add 2 cloves of minced garlic, and saute until fragrant for about 1 minute. Measure out 1.5 cup of Chobani oat milk, slowly pour it into a pan, and bring it to a gentle simmer. Stir in 3/4 cup of coconut cream, 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, and 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. Start whisking until the sauce is smooth, then let the sauce simmer. Now start to make your cornstarch slurry using 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix and add into the sauce and stir until it thickens. It should be velvety and smooth. Since our sauce came together really nicely, we're going to start seasoning it now. Add some salt, freshly cracked pepper, Italian seasoning, and a pinch of nutmeg. Now incorporate everything, making sure our sauce is good and our flavors are good. If needed, add a bit of the reserved pasta water to adjust the consistency. Now that looks good. Alright guys, now we're going to combine everything together. Add our pasta right back into our sauce. Toss our pasta back into the sauce until fully coated, then heat. Make sure we clean our plate, and now we can enjoy. Alright guys, time for the best part, the taste test. Let's try our fettuccine Alfredo pasta. Cheers. This don't hit, y'all. So why is it healthier? So instead of using regular fettuccine pasta, we replaced it with a Banza chickpea pasta, which is more nutrient dense, as well as instead of using heavy cream, we replaced that with a combination of Chobani oat milk and coconut cream. Also add some nutritional yeast as well. It's giving us the best of both worlds and giving us a cheesy flavored goodness. So overall, it has the look, the feel, the taste of fettuccine Alfredo pasta. If you like this dish, hit that like button, leave a comment below of what I should make next. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next food transformation. Until next time, you guys, have a flavorful day. Deuces.